Welcome to the Ultimate Linux Home Server course, where you'll learn to build a server using free tools and applications, and also learn and build your Linux skills, which you can then transfer to the workplace. If you're a systems administrator, a web developer, or a programmer, you can practice and develop your skills on your own private server. If you're going for a job in one of these areas, you then have practical experience to talk about. This is where I had the most fun, and how I transitioned into a career I really enjoy. Maybe you're a business owner and want to use some of the many free tools like accounting, CRM, or electronic data management packages. There's also many superb and free tools for managing your household or personal finances. As a file server, you also have one central location to save the various files and data that may be spread across multiple devices in your home. Think of all the photos and videos that are stored on everyone's phones and tablets currently. In this course, we'll be installing a browser-based photo application to help you manage and view all of your photos. And finally, at the end of a long day, wouldn't it be nice to sit down and watch your collection of movies on your own TV? We'll be looking at an application to do just that. This course works best if you have a spare physical computer or laptop that you can use for your server. We're going to spend time on the command line together, so you'll get to put what you've learned into practice. And there are many downloadable guides included for you throughout the course, so you can take your time going back over them and really understand the topics we covered. My name is Dermot Downey, and I'm really looking forward to bringing you on this journey.